Hello everyone, today I am here to show you how I have done fall semester research work on the topic of bioremediation with the help of Scispace AI agent. This was my topic on bioremediation. I gave the command in Scispace prompt box. It is working on it now. Normally, if I am not using Scispace, I would open 4 or more tabs to do this job. But here, after a few minutes of searching, it gave me a search result of around 100 papers related to my topic. Results come back from a repository of 280 million plus papers. You can see all the papers here. If I click on the link of one paper, I can ask, explain the abstract, do literature survey, conclude this paper. Here I ask, summarize the introduction of this paper. And it is working on it. In comment box, you can also ask your own question. Then I ask, explain the abstract of this paper, conclude this paper, what is the result of this paper. And with the help of AI agent, you can find similar papers on Google Scholar, PubMed, and you can also ask, write a critical review of this paper. Here I ask, find out the similar papers available on Google Scholar and PubMed, and it did it for me. And it found out the 20 papers on Google Scholar and 60 papers on PubMed related to my topic. If I directly go to Google Scholar, here I may find lot of papers, but are they good ones? That's the one concern. Other thing is, if I go to the link, I can't open it until my university or institution pays. And this is usually where I give up. Same with the PubMed, I need a subscription here too. For research, we have to read and scan lot of papers. This work may at least take a week. In Scispace, I can ask for multiple jobs in one single query, while it is not possible with other tools. Let's go to Scispace and see the difference. Here I am typing my research topic again and doing the literature review. After a couple of minutes, we can see it reviewed all the 100 research papers he already searched and provided me a complete document with all the topics necessary for my report. You can see here. Generated document came with all the citations as well. Here I can cross-check the citations and verify its source. I can also select the citation style. Here I am checking more citation. It is undoubtedly an efficient system. I can do the same work in Claude through the connector feature. What I did is I went to Claude, click on the plus sign, browse the connector, found the Scispace, and it is connected. See? Then I typed the same query as I did it in Scispace. Claude gave the same paper results. It is working on it. Searching for papers. Here is the result. Searching for more papers. These are the same papers what I found on Scispace site during my query. If you also want to finish your research project on time and do it well, try using Scispace. Use this coupon code and get 35% off on the Max plan with 40,000 credits. Link is in the comment section.